What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave, Signature Glass Tinting. You're looking at a 1972 Chevy truck. The person that owns this car wanted a window film that's going to block a lot of heat, a lot of UV, but not alter the look of this car. We installed the Lumar Air 80, or what we call the Lumar Air Blue. This is the film that filters 99% of the harmful UV rays. It blocks 85% of the infrared heat. It's technically a clear film. It's designed for the front windshield, but most importantly for this customer, he wanted a film that was not going to alter the look of the vehicle. And as you can see, that's exactly what we gave him. We tinted the front windshield, we tinted the front doors, of course we did the back window. We did not remove any of the glass. Looks absolutely awesome. The guy that owns this car is really passionate about this car. He loves this car. We've tinted other cars for him. Check it out, this thing sounds amazing. If you have an old car, you want to protect the interior, if you're looking for a real light film for your front windshield and you want amazing heat rejection, amazing UV protection, this is the film. Even if you don't come to us at Signature Glass Tinting, if you go somewhere else, don't settle for second best. Ask for Lumar Air 80. It's the best windshield film money can buy. It is the original light or clear high heat rejection window film. There's a lot of copycats out there. Nothing's quite as good. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Find us on the web. Signature Glass Tinting is everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. You can also do the old-fashioned thing and just give us a call. 949-515-8468.